Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. If you want to stay up to date with my daily crypto videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. So as of yesterday, March 31st, the X wallet reached 100,000 registered users. Keep in mind that this is probably the iOS device and the Android device put together, but nonetheless, it's pretty cool to see that the growth is definitely there. And I'm pretty sure that the next 100,000 may be reached even sooner, but time will tell. And the cool thing to know that the article also mentions is the amount of retail outlets that are currently live with the xpos device, and that's around 250 retail outlets and verified X Wallet merchants across 30 countries. And something that I found really interesting and really fun is that Pundix brings us the X fan, the world's first blockchain fan. You definitely have to check it out. It is on the Pundix Lab website, which I'm actually going to link that in the description so you can actually go and see how the X fan works. They actually have a video on it as well. It's pretty interesting, honestly. And they said that as once the FX goes live, they will be able to download a decentralized app on their X phone to customize the display of your X fan. So I'm pretty sure that to customize it probably means that you will be able to change which markets in the crypto you want to see, which coins you want to see, because the fan actually displays real time crypto prices. So it's pretty cool to see. You definitely have to check that out again. And but yeah, I'm pretty sure that that's what the apps might do. It's probably gonna let you change which coins you want to see, and who knows, maybe it might even let you change what you see in the fan in general, so you can actually maybe even write your own messages. But that's we'll see as more comes out. We'll ask the FX goes live. But anyways, guys. Oh, also, it's something to keep in mind is that you can actually buy the X fan already. It is priced at $41, and if you're interested, you have to email them. And I'm actually gonna leave the email in the description as well, which is also found in the article, which I'll leave that in the description. So yeah, that pretty much does it for this video, guys. I hope you guys have a good one.